The Toyota Tundra is known for its strength, durability, and reliability, making it a popular choice among truck lovers. But, like every vehicle, not all model years are created equal. Some years stand out for their excellent performance, while others are best avoided due to recurring issues. In this guide, we'll break down the best and worst Toyota Tundra years to help you make a smart choice. The beginning of the Toyota Tundra. Toyota launched the Tundra in 1999 as a 2000 model, marking its entry into the full-size pickup market in North America. Unlike the smaller Tacoma, the Tundra was designed to rival American favorites like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado. It offered Toyota's signature reliability with size, strength, and power. Through multiple generations, the Tundra introduced better features and performance, though some model years faced more issues than others. Why some Tundra years should be avoided. No truck is without flaws, and the Toyota Tundra is no exception. Certain years brought frustrating issues like transmission troubles, air induction pump failures, excessive rust, frame damage, and engine concerns. These problems led to costly repairs and lowered overall reliability. Because of this, experts advise steering clear of specific model years. Still, many Tundras have proven incredibly durable, running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles, with minimal issues and dependable performance. Worst years of Toyota Tundra, an overview. When we talk about the worst years for the Toyota Tundra, most experts and owners point to a few specific model years. The main years that usually come up are 2000, 2005, 2007, 2010, 2012, and 2015. These years had more complaints and issues compared to others. Some problems were small, but others were big enough to lead to recalls or expensive repairs. Let us take a closer look at each of these years and understand why they are considered less reliable. Toyota Tundra 2000, the first model year. Issues. The 2000 Toyota Tundra was the brand's first entry into the full-size truck market, praised for its design and power. However, as a debut model, it had several flaws. The most concerning issue was premature lower ball joint wear, which caused steering problems. Owners also faced transmission failures and occasional engine troubles. While later models improved significantly, the 2000 Tundra remains a risky choice for used buyers due to these early reliability concerns. Toyota Tundra 2005, problems with the V8 engine. The 2005 Tundra was part of the first generation, but by this time, Toyota had already made improvements in design and features. This year had some serious issues with the 4.7-liter V8 engine. Many owners reported problems with the air injection system and the secondary air pump. These problems led to expensive repairs and check engine lights. In addition, some trucks from this year also faced frame rust issues, which later became a major concern for many Toyota trucks. Toyota Tundra 2007, transmission and drivetrain troubles. The 2007 Toyota Tundra launched the second generation with a bold design, larger size, and stronger engines. However, it faced issues, mainly with transmission and drivetrain. Owners reported slipping gears and hesitation when shifting. Some models also had costly air induction pump failures, making this year less reliable. Toyota Tundra 2010, air induction system failures. By 2010, the Tundra was in its second generation and had already gained a reputation as a solid truck. But this year, in particular, faced a serious problem with the air induction system. The secondary air pump often failed, which led to costly repairs, sometimes costing thousands of dollars. Many owners felt frustrated because the issue appeared even on relatively low mileage trucks. This made the 2010 Tundra one of the less reliable years. Toyota Tundra 2012, engine and electrical problems. The 2012 Toyota Tundra is also considered one of the weaker years. Owners reported issues with the engine, including problems with the air induction pump once again. In addition, there were electrical issues such as faulty wiring and malfunctioning sensors. While not every 2012 model had problems, the number of complaints and high repair costs made this year one that buyers often avoid when looking for a used Tundra. Toyota Tundra 2015, costly maintenance concerns. The 2015 Toyota Tundra, part of the third generation, featured a modern design and updated features, but faced major concerns. Owners reported rough shifting, hesitation, and even early transmission failures. The recurring air injection system issue also returned, leading to higher than expected maintenance costs, making this model less appealing. Best years of Toyota Tundra. An overview. Now that we have gone through the years to avoid, let's talk about the best years of the Toyota Tundra. These are the years that have proven to be reliable, durable, and cost-effective to own. Years often mentioned by experts and owners include 2003, 2009, 2013, 2014, 2016, 2019, and 2021. These trucks not only performed well but also showed fewer issues compared to other years. Toyota Tundra 2003, a solid early model. The 2003 Toyota Tundra was part of the first generation, but stood out as a very reliable year. By this time, Toyota had already fixed many of the problems from the early models. The 2003 Tundra had fewer complaints, strong engine performance, and was known for lasting many miles with basic maintenance. Many of these trucks are still on the road today, proving their durability. Toyota Tundra 2009, reliable and strong performance. The 2009 Tundra, part of the second generation, is also considered one of the best years. Owners praised its strong towing ability, reliable engines, and comfortable ride. Unlike some of the later years, the 2009 Tundra had fewer issues with the air induction system and transmission. It became a favorite for buyers who wanted a dependable full-size truck without worrying about major repairs. Toyota Tundra 2013, great balance of power and reliability. The 2013 Toyota Tundra is another excellent year. This model combined a powerful V8 engine with strong reliability ratings. Owners reported very few serious issues, and the truck became popular among people who needed both work performance and daily driving comfort. With good safety ratings and long-lasting performance, the 2013 Tundra remains a solid choice on the used market. Toyota Tundra 2014, a refresh with fewer problems. The 2014 Tundra brought in a refreshed design and modern features. While sometimes newer designs bring new issues, the 2014 model proved to be reliable. Owners appreciated its improved interior, strong engine choices, and fewer reported problems compared to earlier years. It struck a good balance between technology, comfort, and dependability. Toyota Tundra 2016, continued reliability and strong engines. The 2016 Toyota Tundra carried forward the reliability of the previous years. By this time, Toyota had improved many of the recurring issues from the earlier models. The 2016 truck delivered strong performance, excellent towing capacity, and a comfortable ride. It has been rated highly for long-term dependability, making it one of the better years to buy used. Toyota Tundra 2019, modern features with reliability. The 2019 Tundra was one of the last models before Toyota introduced major changes. It offered advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense, along with powerful engine options. Owners appreciated that it had fewer mechanical issues and provided a smooth driving experience. For buyers looking for a modern truck with proven reliability, the 2019 Tundra is a great choice. Toyota Tundra 2021, one of the best in recent years. The 2021 Toyota Tundra stands out as one of the best modern models, praised for reliability and technology. Owners reported minimal issues, and its strong performance adds to its appeal. Being among the last models with the proven V8 engine before the 2022 redesign, it remains a popular choice. Common problems across multiple years. Several Toyota Tundra models share common issues across different years. Air induction pump failure is one of the most costly, often requiring expensive repairs. Frame rust, especially in early 2000s models, was another major concern. Some years also experienced transmission troubles like hesitation and rough shifting. Buyers should inspect carefully Toyota's response to problems. To Toyota's credit, the company responded to many of the issues with recalls, extended warranties, and updated parts. For example, Toyota issued recalls to fix the ball joint problems in the early models, and they also addressed some of the rust issues with frame replacements. Over the years, Toyota worked to make the Tundra more reliable, and that is why later models often perform better than the earlier ones. Tips for buying a used Toyota Tundra. When buying a used Toyota Tundra, always research the model year to avoid problematic ones. Request complete maintenance records to confirm proper care. Inspect for rust, transmission issues, and air induction problems. Most importantly, get a professional inspection before purchase. This step can protect you from expensive future repairs. The Toyota Tundra has proven to be a tough and dependable truck over the years, but knowing which models to buy and which to avoid makes all the difference. By choosing the right year, you can enjoy reliability, power, and long-lasting performance without costly problems. Whether you want a workhorse or a family truck, making an informed choice ensures you get the best value from your Tundra.